So now that you've decided on the best reactor for your application, let's show you how to get it set up once you receive your machine. The first thing you need to do is enable Dispense. In order to use the Dispense feature and to see the Dispense screens, Dispense needs to be enabled on your ADM. To do this, navigate to the Dispense setup screen. It should be the last option in the setup menu. Next, enable Dispense simply by checking the box. This will make additional menu options visible. It will also make the Dispense run screen icon visible in the upper right corner. In addition, it will also add the Dispense shortcut key to the home screen. These icons allow you to toggle between the Dispense setup screen and Dispense run screen. Both icons are located in the upper right corners of their respective screens. You can also toggle between the Dispense run screen and home screen using the shortcut buttons on each page. John, can you walk us through the Dispense setup menu and the available options to the user?
Absolutely. Now that you've enabled Dispense on your reactor, let me explain each of the different setup options. On the Dispense setup screen, the user can choose a few preferences on how their system will operate. First is triggering. There are two options, momentary or continuous. Momentary means the operator will pull and release the trigger to actuate the shot. Then the reactor will dispense the complete shot. For continuous, the operator must hold the trigger for the entire shot. When the shot is complete, the reactor will automatically stop the shot, signaling the user to release the trigger. Next setting is shot interruption action. There are two options, pause or reset. When the shot interruption action is set to pause, the current shot will stop partially through the shot. This happens when the user lets go of the trigger in continuous shot mode, or if the user pulls the trigger a second time in momentary shot mode. The remaining balance of the current shot will dispense when the trigger is pulled again. Versus reset, that is going to abandon the current shot and restart the current shot from the beginning when re-triggered. Next setting, enable auto sequencing. When this is selected, the shots will automatically advance from one shot to the next within the sequence. Delayed air purge time. This allows you to set a small delay before blowing purge air through the gun. This is good if you are concerned with material blowback or with spraying air into the rising foam. This provides a few seconds to move the gun off target before purging with air. Auto volume calibration. This allows the user to enable auto calibration when using volume-based shots. We will explain the difference between manual and auto calibration in a separate video.